welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with another Facetory unboxing, and this month is for July. And the theme for this month, it says you had me at Aloha. And let's get on with the face masks. So the first mask is by Judy Moore Mineral Mask, and it's a super soft sheet mask that is infused with skin calming ingredients that will aid in hydration and moisture. So here's the mask, and this one retails for $3. And the second mask is by Yada Daily Green Mask Cactus. So it says here it's a vegan certified sheet mask paired with an eco-friendly bamboo sheet. And it says leave it to this mask to give your skin quick hydration for a luminous and smooth appearance. And this mask retails for $3 US. Third mask is by Ariel. It's a 7 days plus mask coconut balancing, and it says here the description for this is don't leave your skin hanging. This 2-step mask will help hydrate and balance your skin for a healthy glow. Smooth and velvety skin is in your near future. Just relax and apply. So 2-step mask. Step 1 is right here. Step 2 is the mask right here. And this one retails for $3.50 US. Fourth mask is by Amolu, and it's a white silk up bubble essence mask, and it's a brightening and hydrating bubble sheet mask where you don't have to wash off the bubbles. Here's the fourth mask right here, and this one retails for $5.50. And then a fifth mask is by 17V Derma Pibuwang Mask Rest. It says here that it's a vegan certified sheet mask that contains 17 non-irritating ingredients to help soothe, calm, and moisturize your skin while strengthening the skin barrier. And this one, it says it retails for $3.50. And the sixth mask is by Miss Young. It's a curry silk mask. It says here this sheet mask contains 80% silk for a soft feel and is infused with 7 different yellow ingredients to deliver nutrients and hydration. And it says here that it retails for $4. And 7th mask is by Laya Jean. It's a real mask nourishing care. It says here it's a ginseng infused sheet mask that will help nourish your skin and leave it feeling super smooth. So it says here that it retails for $3. But yeah, so that's all the face masks I got. Here's all 7 of them. Here's all 7. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.